I went to a restaurant for a traditional coffee, which is this place, and also a cooking class in Lalibela in Ethiopia. This restaurant called Seven Olives. I had lunch there. The food was okay. It wasn't that great. It was okay. Their coffee was good. It's a traditional way that they make Ethiopian coffee. The coffee is about 20 cents. And they roast it there. So it was okay, but there is no milk. They don't serve, even if you ask, there's no milk to add to the coffee. This is a unique restaurant. I found it on TripAdvisor. This lady owns this place and run it with her daughters. And the food was very great. The experience was very good. She has a traditional Ethiopian kitchen. There's no electricity. Everything is done in a traditional way. I paid $20 for a cooking class and for one person, and the food was really, really good. That's the price for June 2021, which there was no customer because of the pandemic. So all businesses, they brought their prices down. So I don't know if the $20 is the usual price or was a discounted price, but I didn't negotiate. I just kept it as whatever she asked, because it's been a year she didn't have a customer, and she was a very nice lady. So the food is vegetarian, and this is their own kitchen. They live there. So the restaurant and the home, they're just next to each other. And this place is near the center. From the center of Lalibela, you can walk another 7 minutes and you will find this restaurant. You can also find it on Google Map. It shows. And this is, they had lantern and this yellow thing, which I forgot the name of that beans. And then there was a spinach and cabbage and beets and potato. They serve it on that traditional bread, which they always serve the Ethiopian food on that. It's like a bread that doesn't have much taste. And the texture is a little bit like a pancake, very thin pancake. If you read the TripAdvisor review for this cooking class, which is called Unique, if you put Unique Restaurant Lalibela, you will find it. There are a lot of good reviews, and it's very good. And she also have this coffee set up. So apparently after the food, if you ask, she does the traditional coffee, and she served that traditional coffee. I didn't ask because right before going there, I had coffee at Seven Olive Restaurant. So I just had the meal here. Nice, very nice.
ጭርፋ ቶሎ አፍጥኝልኝ በእናትሽ